Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, then go to the Wi-Fi hotspot and enable it here. You can also change some of the hotspot settings, like you can keep Wi-Fi hotspot on always, turn off when idle for 5 minutes or 10 minutes in order to save battery, of course. You can set its name, security protocol, password. Damn, I didn't mean it. You can also change its AP band. You can reset its OOB and set up maximum amount of connections. And you can also see connected users and blocked users here. So yeah. And you can also switch hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.